Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are discuss about agent fog computing. Today we are discuss about topic or fog computing for IOT, the bridging the cloud age gap. First of all, agent fog computing, it is local devices. Easily we can processing for all the data information in locally. But cloud, it is an intermediate of fog computing. It is easy. We can data sources from bringing from intelligence closer to the data sources. We bridge the gap between the cloud and edge. Next one is understanding the landscape of IoT and fog computing basis. First of all is Internet of Things, the interconnected devices. They're collecting all the data easy. We can exchanging the data between automation to smart environment such as sensor and actuators and connectivity. And fog computing is nothing but fog extends the cloud computing, the network of edge. It is enabled with the localized processing for all the data storage. We can intermediate from the cloud computing, and also it is a decentralized and proximity and real time. Those are computing basics. And what is the IoT edge? Why become essential? First of all, the latency. It is nothing but the cloud dependencies is introduced the delay. Fog ensure the quicker response because of the cloud is the decentralized processing. So data we can send and receive time, is response time take more. So the latency it is introduced from the delay from the cloud side. And fog means it is easily we can closer to computer, and also easy we can quicker to response, and also even though we have finding for all the data information easy, we can locally processing the data information. So only using from the latency from agent cloud. And bandwidth is nothing but is sending all data to the cloud. They consume the excessive bandwidth because of lot of the bandwidth we have using to the cloud side. Because of it is more traffic is increased from the cloud side, but fog we have using to the reduce the traffic, data traffic. So the comparing to bandwidth, the cloud is increase the traffic and reduce the traffic with the fog computing we have using. Then security, it is edge browsing can enhance data privacy and minimize the external exposure. Edge browsing is easily we can enhance the data privacy, which means easily we can data locally we can find out for all the data information. Any hacking from in the data, easily we can indication from all the secure product from the data, and it is a minimize the external exposure. But edge comparing fog cloud comparing to fog, and security is not enhances from the cloud side because of a lot of data information send and data receiving time, some of the hacking from data. So the agent fog means the better we have using to fog computing. Next one is architecting the fog. The some of the principles of layers and edge devices is we have using into sensor and actuators. Easily we can movement for all the data information and generate the raw of data. And fog nodes, it is a local server process. It is easy we can filter for all the data information. And then they reduce the cloud dependency. And cloud layer is centralized analytics and long term storage occur here. Those are the architect in the fog. Next one is what is the technical imperatives is latency, bandwidth, processing at the edge. The low latency is real-time application demand the minimum delay, and the fog is rapid decision making. and reduced bandwidth is comparing to locally easily we can network we have load, but save the cost and efficiency. And distributed processing is workload shared across nodes easy we can enhance and realize resilience and scalability, so we have using to agent for computing. Next one is operational and security mandates of reliability and privacy trust. The robust security, the protect the data is every point. They implement the encryption for access control, and data privacy is analysis of sensitive data informations and ensure the regularity compliance and system trust. Easy we can ensure the establish secure communication and channels and verify authenticity. And real world IoT deployments is use cases of smart cities and industrial IoT. The traffic management is safety benefit because of the urban operations is like that traffic flow optimization and environmental monitoring and public surveillance. And industrial IoT is like that predictive the maintenance for all the quality control improve. The fog enhance the factory of efficiencies, equipment monitoring and automated fault detection and also supply chain optimization. Then charting of future and takeaway of next step of the IoT fog is some of the future innovations. The strategies planning for integration of carefully and innovate, explore the new use cases and also secure the priorities of data protection and collaborate like foster partnership for growth. Thank you.